Hello again everybody, it's me, Madam Macabre, and welcome back to another Monday video. So this video is going to be a little bit different because something special actually happened in that, crazy cat lady moment. My kitten just turned 1 year old. You know that little gremlin you always see kind of popping up in vlogs and stuff, being crazy, distracting you in the background? Yeah, she's a full-grown cat now, and, you know, just twice as monstrous as before. But I love the heck out of that little thing. But anyway, I figured this would be a fun sort of opportunity to share some of the funny, cute footage I've gotten of her via her growing up from 10 weeks till now, from all the times when I don't have the vlog cameras rolling so you can actually see her more in her natural habitat. I know, just what YouTube needs, more cat videos. Alright guys, I hope you guys enjoy this or at least find it cute. I'll go ahead and get the film. You good? Okay. Alright, well I hope you guys enjoy this video and I will get the footage rolling. She's not sure what to think about her collar.
It's your toes, but then it's the fringe.
My goodness, are we a flopsy girl? Oh. Slipping and sliding. Oh, you're so pretty. Love bug. It is bedtime, little miss. You're supposed to be winding down. It is so late. Don't hurt yourself. Honey. Those are my feet. Oh, honey, you're so cute. Rah. We don't bite. Oh, here we go. We don't bite. Artemis. Honey. That's my baby. Oh, are we gonna burrow in the pillows now? Oh. You are fast. Oh, gotta take a break for bath time. What are you even getting? Are you getting your tail? Artemis, you got them crazy eyes. Under the You getting your tail? Artemis. Artemis. Big girl. You meowing at mommy? Do your big girl meow again? Yeah? You a big girl now? You a big girl, Artemis? Wanna get Wrestle Rat? You're biting its butt. Hi, baby. Hi, baby. Hello. Boop. The iPod scary? Is it scary? The iPod? It's an iPod. You've seen it before. See? You know what that is.